Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Akshi. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most useful concepts in Python, the for loop. If you ever wanted Python to repeat same task again and again without writing the same code many times, then this lesson is for you. By the end of this video, you will know what a for loop is, how to use it, and you will also know how to solve a simple example. So now let's get started. Before learning the for loop, let's understand what a loop is. So imagine you want a Python to print hello 5 times. One way is to write print hello again and again. But that's a lot of repeating things and repeated typing. Instead, we can use a loop. A loop simply tells Python repeat this code multiple times. So this save times, keep our code short and make it much easier to read. In Python, there are mainly two types of loops. The first one is for loop. We use this for loop when we already know how many times we want to repeat something. And the second one is while loop. We use this while loop when we don't know exactly how many times the code should be repeated. So in this lesson, we will focus only for the for loop. We will learn the while loop in the next lesson. Now let's understand the basic syntax. A for loop looks like this. For I in range of 5 colon print of I. So let's understand this each part. For, it is a Python keyword that starts the loop. And I is called as a variable. It stores the current number each time the loop runs. So that range of 5, it tells Python to repeat the loop 5 times. And the code inside the loop is what gets repeated. So one more important thing is to be remembered is the colon at the end. So also, the print statement must be slightly inside the loop using the indentation. Without the indentation, Python will give an error. So now let's learn another form of range function. This time we use range of start, stop. For example, range of 1, 6. Here the loop starts from 1 but it stops before 6. So the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice that 6 is not included. A simple trick to remember is start is included, stop is not included. Sometimes we don't want every number. We want every second number. Like if we want to use like that, then we have to use a step that's called where the third value comes in. For example, range of 2, 11, 2. It means it starts from 2, stops before 11 and it is increased by 2 every time. So what will be the output? So the output becomes 2, 4, 6, then 8 and then 10. And it stops there. So the number 11 is not included because the stop value is always excluded. Next, about the printing text using for loop. A for loop is not only used for numbers, it can also repeat a text. For example, for I in range of 5, print welcome to code with Akshi. Here, Python prints the same message 5 times. Instead of writing the print statement 5 different times, we simply use a loop. This makes our code much shorter and cleaner. When you're learning for loops, it's normal to make mistakes. So let's look at the 3 common ones. The first mistake is about forgetting the colon after the for statement. Without the colon, Python shows a syntax error. The second mistake is an incorrect indentation. The code inside the loop must always be indented. The third mistake is about forgetting to use the range function. So like instead of writing for I in 5, you should write for I in range of 5. Whenever your loop doesn't work, check these three things first. So now let's quickly revise what we have learned. Today we learned what a loop is, why we use loops, the syntax of for loop, how range works, how to use start, stop and step, how to print text using loops, and the common mistake to avoid. That's great start. So congratulations, you have successfully learned the basics of the Python for loop. Keep practicing by changing the numbers inside the range function and try different example. The more you practice, the easier the Python becomes. In the next lesson, we will learn about the while loop and see how it's different from other loops. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Code with Akshi. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lesson. Happy coding, and this quote is for you.